Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change system date and time in BIOS on Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. First, enter the BIOS menu by turning on your PC and repeatedly pressing the F2 key until you see the menu. Using your touchpad, select the Configuration tab on the sidebar. Click on System Time. You can change hours, minutes, and seconds manually by increasing or decreasing the values. Use your touchpad mouse or arrow keys up and down to change values, left and right to switch between them. To apply changes, click OK. Similarly, you can change your system date, month, day, and year. To apply changes, click OK. Then press F10 and enter to exit and save changes, or press Escape to exit without saving. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.